Look at this guy. He is just taking a break on the ladder, watching a movie or some kind of video. Look at him. He's just been chilling on that ladder for the last 15 minutes, just sitting there in one spot. He looks very relaxed. Very relaxed. Oh, now he's getting himself together. Uh-oh, he just dropped something. Look at him. He looking now. He like, oh boy, I gotta come down this ladder now. He was just sitting there chilling, and because I'm filming him now, he wants to move. I don't know if he thinks that I might be a supervisor spying on him or what. I'd like to know what this guy is up to. He's just chilling. Now he's going back up the ladder. Let's see if he sits down again. So what we have here is Bertha. It's a 30-inch wagtail. You will never see this video of this tool on YouTube. People have it, but they just don't use it. And if they use it, they don't show it. But I use this sucker because this thing ain't no joke. It is water fed and it's a flip mop. So this thing is a beast. The problem with the Unger rubbers that I've noticed, when I put them in the orbital channels, they keep sliding. So in a pinch, you can use a toothpick and put it in the end. Let me show you what I mean. All right, so now what you want to do is when you put the toothpick in, you're going to have to pour the rubber out maybe 3 or 4 millimeters out as you're trying to push it in, because it's going to slide in when you're trying to push the toothpick in. So it's best to pull it out and then slide it in. But what you want to do is you want to get it right down there. Let me try and get that to focus. You want to get it right down in there, all right? Right where the channel holds that rubber, the round part. Then if you look here, as you can see, I don't know if you can see, but it's about a 1/2 inch in. And then what you want to do is you want to break this off, because you want to use the other pointy end in the other side. You can reuse these little toothpicks even if you got to flip your rubber around. Just don't lose them. But toothpicks, I mean, what do they cost? You just get a whole thing of them from the dollar store. You know, it got like 50 or 100 in there, you know. So let me do the other side, and that's today's little Wagtail Wednesday tip. I've showed y'all this before, but not everyone sees it because not everyone watches my videos. So they might be able to utilize that if they ever lose their clips and their regular squeegees. Whatever, this works for any kind of, not just a wagtail, this works for anything. All right, job finished. I hope y'all enjoyed the little show of Bertha. You know what's odd? You know, I've been cleaning windows for over 20 years, almost every single day, right? And my job never gets old, and I still love it. When you start thinking outside the box, you make things a little bit more interesting for you, and you start loving your job all over again. And that's even with new toys that we use for our business. When you get new tools that's going to help put some bucks in your pocket, you can see the value in your business and the way you do your business. It's like falling in love all over again. You see, I never saw the value in adapting a new tool, or using certain tools when the tools that I have are making me money just fine. But pretty much it almost boils down to just convenience for the most part. Because when you're a skilled master at your trade, no real tool is really going to help you stick and move extremely fast. Because when you get to a certain level in your cleaning, it's almost like you've reached your limit. But there's always a faster and better way to do something, and a safer way. So just like using that zero trad pole, I've fallen in love all over again. Doing pole work is actually more enjoyable. It was always enjoyable, but y'all know what I'm saying. Now I freaking love it. You know what I mean? I wouldn't trade it in for the world now. That's going to be my money maker right now. And I was making money just the same. It doesn't make me move faster, but it just makes my technique more precise and more intricate when I do my unconventional moves. Let's just say that, if I had to explain it in the layman's terms, but you get the gist of it. But just when I thought I couldn't get any faster, I'm still thinking outside the box. There's always a faster way. Where do you want to go? How do you want to see yourself? Where do you want to take it? So I'm taking on the next level of cleaning. And that's pure water squeegees, baby. You don't have to like it, and you don't have to watch it. I know what it does for me. And all I'm doing is sharing what I know. And people I just guess they don't grasp the concept. What's the point? Well, if you haven't grasped the point by now, I don't think you ever will. And I don't care what you do with it. Do with the info. Just say, oh, okay, it is what it is. And that's exactly what it is. But this is Masters at Wagtail, and I gotta go in and get my bucks. I'll see you in the next one. Bam!